Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix auto shutdown restart problem on Windows. Type regedit in Windows search bar, right-click Run as administrator. Click and expand HKey local machine, click and expand software, click and expand Microsoft. Click and expand Windows. Create new key named as Windows Update under Windows. Create new key named as AU under Windows Update. Create new DWORD 32-bit value named as No Auto Reboot with Logged On User. Change value data to 1. Close and exit Registry editor. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.